Hi to everyone. Today we will discuss about the cloud architecture. This is very important topic, students. You need to prepare very well. In semester exams it is compulsory question of cloud architecture in cloud computing subject. In last video we will discuss about the high performance principles of cloud computing. All those are. Now we will see cloud architecture. Let's see. First, you like this video so that you teach to so many students and they also will learn and they also will write the exams very well. Let's start. Cloud architecture. In cloud architecture, they will have the 4 layers. Now we'll see each one layer. Now we'll see cloud architecture is 4 layers. What are the 4 layers? Now we will see. First layer, layer 1. It is user or client layer. User or client layer. This is the first layer and lowest layer in cloud architecture. And next layer is layer 2. Layer 2 cloud management. What is network layer? It is completely depend on cloud network layer. It is connected like this. Network layer. And third layer is layer 3. Layer 3 is cloud management layer. Cloud management layer. Next layer is fourth layer. Layer 4. What is hardware resource layer? Hardware resource layer. First you draw this diagram, students. Cloud architecture. In examinations, in theory subjects, you need to first draw diagrams and write point wise so that you can gain more marks in semester exams. Now we will see one by one. What is this? Layer 1. First layer is user or client layer. In user or client layer, it accepts only users and clients. We are the users or we are clients. In this layer, lowest layer, and it is lowest layer and low processing. All applications are executed in low process and lowest layer. And user and clients, it consists of user and client. Next we will see in user and client layer, cloud application is accessed in same way as web application. In cloud, the same way web application is used. And next layer 2, network layer. This is layer 2. After this user and client layer, next layer is network layer. Now we will see network layer is internet public cloud. In this internet we will use the internet, totally internet. In internet also we will use public cloud and private cloud. In public cloud means we can use anywhere, any government sector or anywhere. It is used to the public cloud throughout the world. Throughout the world, it is used the public cloud. Here is the internet is public cloud. Next, private cloud. In private cloud means only specific organization or in small area like LAN, local area. LAN means local area network. In small area, we will use private cloud. And next, it depends on network. It is depends on specific either public cloud or private cloud. It is depends on totally network. Next layer is cloud, layer 3 cloud management layer. In this layer, cloud management software is used in managing the cloud. In this layer, it will manage the cloud network software, what we have to execute the applications. All those are managed here in cloud management layer. Next, these software usually allow resource management, optimization, internal cloud governance. In this software, in cloud management layer, these three are accepted: resource management, optimization and internal cloud governance. Next, these layers are preview of SLS. These layers are preview of SLS. SLS means service layer architecture. Next, it is the cloud management will take public cloud and as well as private cloud. And next, SLS service layer net architecture also takes the private cloud as well as public cloud. Next layer is layer 4 hardware resource layer. Hardware resource layer is last layer. In this layer, public cloud data center is used. Public cloud we are used in these layers, but here public cloud data center is used, and it is used to as backend. Public data center is used as the backend. Next is in private cloud, data center is hung collection of all hardware resources connected to as any present specific location. Private cloud data center is used, but only specific location, all hardware resources are interconnected. Only small location like say LAN, local area network. But in public, we can use any specific, not specified any specific location. You can use anywhere throughout the world. Next, the data center consists of high-speed network connection. In this hardware resources, all are in high-speed network connection. And next, there will be number of data centers for cloud. These all are the cloud architecture. Now we will see another topic, anatomy of cloud. Anatomy of the cloud also very important, students. First you draw this diagram and note down these points and write in exam. Now we will see next topic is anatomy of the cloud. That anatomy of cloud also very important, students. You should be prepare very well. Anatomy of cloud. Anatomy of cloud means nothing but cloud architecture. There are also one diagram inside is there. Now you will see application. First one is application. Next one is platform. Next one is virtualized infrastructure. And next virtualization. And next one is storage. Draw this diagram, students. Note down this diagram in your notes and draw in exam. If you will draw this diagram, you will get the more marks. Good impression is comes to the examiner. Okay, now we will see application. Application means all applications are executed. Applications are executed. Any all applications are executed. And next one is platform. Platform means all applications are executed. All applications are execution is done here. All applications are responsible for execution. It is platform is responsible for execution here. Next, virtualized infrastructure. Virtualized infrastructure means all resources are which compared to other resources is known as the virtualized infrastructure. And next one is virtualization. Virtualized is different, virtualized infrastructure is different, and virtualization is different. Now we will see virtualization. All the resources components are exist from the all the logical components are existed to physical resources. In this virtualization, all the components are existed to the physical resources are done here. Next, storage. Storage is nothing but storage units for storing the data or storage units here. Now these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the 5 points. 5 are the layers which are used in anatomy of cloud. Anatomy of cloud is nothing but cloud architecture. Anatomy of cloud means nothing but cloud architecture. These are the layers which are used in cloud architecture. This is very important question, students. You need to draw this diagram and write the definition so that you can get more marks. Platform is between the application layer and virtualized infrastructure. Between the application layer and virtualized infrastructure. This is the note down this diagram and note down these points. If you are watching first time, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon so that when I will upload the video you will get by notification, and like this video so that it reaches to so many students, also they will also learn these topics. And share this video. If you have any doubts, write in comments. And thank you. Next video we can meet.